Ndûmîrîri has finally now called it quit with Samido. Na akorwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩno akiuga it has been exactly 15 years of marriage, full of ups and downs. It was humble beginning where little was enough for us. For the last 3 years, it has been nothing but pain. I have remained faithful to you. Regardless of disrespect, humiliation, and being trolled on social media, you have made me look dumb and took my silence for granted. I have helped you nurture your talent and supported you through it all. But one thing I have said to you, and I am saying here again, I will not raise my kids in a polygamy family, especially with a woman who is older than me by more than 10 years, has no morals, and zero respect to my family. Kûrekereria, as you put it. I have asked God for every day to give me strength to pray for you, but today I have nothing to tell God about you. You have dragged and put me and my kids in an ocean of pain. May you remember this day. Hashtag nothing but prayers. Hashtag Ndûmîrîri. Na Ndûmîrîri aihũrĩtwo nĩ ruo rũingĩ mũno agĩkorwo agĩshare mbica of her and Samido, how they started na how it has been with him. Ndûmîrîri akiuga she has been through it all for the past 3 years. Maruo marĩa agereirio nĩ Samido na Karen Nyamo, a woman she says is 10 years older than her, ũrĩa ũtakoretwo ũkĩmuonia gĩtĩo ona hanini. Na through Samido na Karen Nyamo, Ndûmîrîri has been through every possible pain. Na agakiuga for 15 years she has been with Samido. Makĩanjirie o wega. It was a humble beginning. Agĩkorwo akĩmũsupport mũno to nurture his music talent, but Samido has been nothing but ungrateful to her. Na koguo agakiuga gũtirĩ ũndũ ũngĩ angĩmwĩra. She has been praying for him, but for today she has nothing to tell God about him. Now this is a statement shared by Ndûmîrîri through her social media pages. No akorwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩno, and it is something that has caught so many by surprise. Makiuga but finally now Edday has spoken. Na makiuga it is good that she is letting it out. Na magakiuga all shall be well. Makeyumĩria na njĩra nene mũno kuonania support yao kũrĩ Ndûmîrîri as they wait for Samido kana nĩegũkorwo akĩrespond, but magakiuga it is well that Edday has decided to share this na gũkorwo akĩonania it's as if she is done with Samido.